Hello, hi again. How are you, students and dear parents? This is our first day class in math for grade 1 of week 1. In this, we're going to see number system again, and our subtopic is order of numbers. Okay, under this topic, we'll see the order numbers that comes before, that comes after, and in between. We will see their order of numbers. So our discussion pages are 6 and 7, page 6 and 7, and here I am, Mr. Melissa. Before we start, let's see the objectives. At the end of this, you will be able to write the name of numbers in their symbol, okay, in their symbol from 61 up to 18. Previously, we have seen numbers with their corresponding words and symbols of numbers 1 up to 16. Here, we continue that one, okay, from 61 up to 18. And the other one is, you'll be able to identify order of natural and whole numbers that comes before, after, and in between. So this is our objectives. Before we start, let's summarize or let's revise, okay, what we have seen earlier. Previously, as you remember, we have seen counting numbers and order of numbers. When we say count by 1, that is skip count by 1, the number or the interval between, the difference between two consecutive numbers is 1. Okay? In that case, we call it skip count by 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is skip count by 1. And here also we have seen some examples of skip counting. And when we say count by skipping 2 or count by 2 means there is a gap of 2 between two consecutive numbers. There is a difference of 2. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4, what next? 6, 8, and 12. So these numbers are called, we can say they are even numbers, or there is a gap between, or a difference of 2 in each consecutive numbers. So the missing numbers in the above examples are 6 and 10. If you can see, or the pattern, the numbers or the missing numbers are 6 and 10. This is what we have seen last time. And also I have given you one homework. This was your homework. You arrange the given numbers from the largest to smallest in descending order or in decreasing order. To arrange the numbers in decreasing order. So, what comes first from the given numbers, which is 15, right? 15 comes first. So, what's next? 14 and 11. Finally, 9. As you can see, the pattern start from 15 to 9. So the numbers are decreasing, okay? From the largest to the smallest. So we call it decreasing order. And next, 14, 12, 7, finally 4. See, 7, 5, 2, 1. Again here, 17 comes first, 16, 12, 10. Lastly, 20 comes first, 19, 18, 16. This is your answers. These are your answers. Now based on this, try to relate and compare your answers. And then we proceed to today's lesson. Right, students? So in this, let's continue In this, as I told you earlier, in this lesson we are going to see numbers from 61 up to 18. Okay, from 61 up to 18. Here you have up to 17, and next one is up to 18. Their numbers with their corresponding word. So now let's see them. Okay, the first one is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. These are numbers with their names from 61 to 70. Next, and numbers from 71 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay? Now, I hope you have seen and differentiate the numbers from 71 to 18, again from 61 up to 70 with their corresponding names, words. So now let's continue. Here you have also order of numbers, the numbers that come before, after, and in between. Okay, order, arrangement of the numbers. This is a number line. Here you have a number line. On this number line, what numbers come before, what numbers comes after, and in between, we'll see with examples. Say for example here 2 comes before what? 2 comes before 3, and 4 comes after 3. Okay, and also 5 is in between of what? 5 comes between 4 and 6. This is the order of numbers on number line. When we see them on number line, it will be their arrangement, okay, their order. So again, here also another example. What numbers come before? Here you have 15 and 16. So 15 comes before 16, or you can say 60 comes after 15. The second one, you have 17 and 18. So you can say 17 comes before 18. Again here, 19 comes before 20, or you can say 20 comes after 19. And lastly, 9 comes before 10, or 10 comes after 9, you can say. So this is order of numbers, okay? I hope you understood what order of numbers that comes before, after, and in between means. So the next one is a movie or a video which helps you identify numbers from 61 up to 18. Okay, go to page 6 of from your working book. There is one class work which says write the missing numbers. Okay, it says what? Write the missing number. You are asked to write the missing. So you have given some numbers here on the box: 1, 3, 4, 7, 9 up to the end. And also here you have a blank space here to complete to write from 1 up to 20, and also here to circle the honey pots. Okay, you count 20 honey pots and then you circle. Okay, this is your classwork. So I will give you 10 minutes for this, and then we'll see the answers. Now start. Right, students? So have you finished? Good. Now let's see. Here is the answers. Here you have the answers. The first one is the it's like this one. You complete the blank space with this. And the second one, you write the numbers from 1 up to 20. Okay, and search, you circle, you count first 20 honeypots and then circle 20 of them. So based on this, try to relate your answers and take corrections. All right. Now, finally, before we finish today's lesson, I will give you one homework that you are going to do it at home. So, which is what to complete it at home. Okay, you have one more, one less, and in between, based on the pattern, you complete the blank spaces here. Okay, the blank spaces. So here, the first one is you write the number in between, and the number that comes after, and the numbers that come before. One more, one less. Based on this, you complete your homework. And then we will see it the next. So this is all about today's class. So thank you for watching and listening. See you the next one.